Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Tyler McNabb and welcome back to the channel. So today's gonna be a little bit of a different video. It's not necessarily gonna involve anything quad related, but it's kind of an update to my garage and how I'll be working on quads. So I figured I'd make a video about it. Well, let me turn you around here and I'll show you what we got. So as you can see here, we got two big boxes, and that is because I purchased this guy. This is a Seville Classics Ultra HD heavy duty rolling workbench, and so I've had my eye on one of these for a while. They had one at one of my old jobs, and then the job that I currently work at, they use a lot of this stuff for their training building, like their workbenches and stuff. And so like these are real good heavy duty, but they're not necessarily super expensive. If you go on their website and look, this workbench actually retails for about 800 bucks, which is pretty expensive. But for some reason, Sam's Club is like a dealer for Seville Classics, and they sell them at like half price. So I paid like 450 bucks for this bench, which isn't really that bad. It's a good heavy duty bench. It's got the big old wooden top on it, and then it's got plenty of drawers and cabinets for me to be able to store tools and parts in. And so as you've probably seen in my past videos, I'm currently working on like an old dining room table of some sorts and like a Fisher Price hockey table. So I mean, you got to do whatever you do to be able to work on stuff. That's how it is. Most of my money goes into my quad, so I figured, you know what, got a little bit of extra money, might as well invest in a nice good tool bench slash I guess cabinet. So yep, so basically I'm not going to do a how-to or anything. That would take forever. These things are pretty straightforward when putting them together, just following the instructions. So I'm going to do a quick time lapse of me throwing this thing together, and then when I'm done, I'll show you what it looks like. So here we go. Well, guys, there she is, completely built. So, show you around real quick. As I said, I got this beautiful hardwood top. I plan on buying like a big rubber mat to go on top of this to kind of keep it clean, and because if I got oil all over it, it would get real slick and dirty. So, I mean, I know it's gonna get dirty, it's a workbench, but try to keep it as clean as I can. I think I'm gonna order like I said, a rubber mat for it off McMastercar.com. They make one just about this size, so I'll probably order one of those for it. And then got all these drawers that came with this rubber lining to put in, so that's really nice. Overall, it looks pretty good. We got the cabinet here with the shelf underneath. What was that? We have 9 of these small drawers, so they're decently sized, so good for hand tools and that kind of stuff. And if you come over here, we've got like a medium drawer that's a little bit deeper, and then we've got this large drawer for, you know, anything large, like I may put my power tools and that kind of stuff in there. Not sure exactly what all I'm going to put in here yet, but we'll see, because yeah, my plan is to actually I think I'm gonna put this on this back wall here, and then what I actually want to do is I want to build more of like a permanent workbench right here, and then I'll have maybe a shelf underneath for parts storage, anything like that. And then I'm not sure exactly what I'll do for like a tabletop surface, but have some sort of good surface that's come up with something that's good for working on engines and whatnot. I'd like to find ultimately a engine rebuild table, so that way if I am tearing down engines and stuff, then I don't have to worry about all the oil and stuff getting all over the tops of these and stuff, and instead you get one of those rebuild tables, and then all the oil flows into like a trap of some sort. So yeah, that's the ultimate plan, but it's hard to find one of those, and they're really expensive new, so maybe someday. But anyway, and then I guess if you guys have stuck around this long, I'll give you a little update on the quads. As you can see, front shocks are not on it. They are over here after the last race. These were looking a little dry, so these seals right here in the front, right there, yeah, those seals, they were looking a little dry, so I figured I might as well go ahead and get these serviced. So took them to my buddy Nick Adams Suspension here in Indiana. He's actually out of Greencastle, Indiana, but he does great work. He used to own Jet Suspension, and but he sold Jet Suspension due to his full-time job, and then now he's got more time to get back into it, and so he started doing shocks and everything again. So he's just going by as Adams Suspension. But if you're in the Indiana area and you're looking for really good suspension work, hit him up, let him know I sent you. He'll appreciate that. But yeah, he does really great work, and he'll treat you fairly. So other than that, quad's doing good. I had the airbox off mainly due to getting a look at this rear shock, because I wasn't sure if I was going to service it or not, but decided not to. Spring shocks, you don't need to service them quite as often as you do these air shocks. So but anyway, that's pretty much going to wrap it up for this video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the content. I try to mix it up every now and then. I know I always enjoy four-wheeler videos and that kind of stuff, but I also enjoy other garage-related stuff, whether it's tools or tool storage or anything like that. So I figured I'd mix it up a little bit and throw something different on the channel. So let me know if you like these kind of videos. I will do them more in the future. But other than that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.